SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. SLP by and large faces obstruction at $0.003 in a kind of significant manner. Smooth love mixture in a real sense is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the by and large bears essentially has been laid out at $0.003 12 February 2024. In this video we'll fundamentally walk you through in every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually by and large sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is for the most part momentary cost expectation for especially smooth love elixir, in every way that really matters, is SLP a truly wise speculation? Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the SLP specialized investigation, in a real sense, let us explicitly discuss the very current economic situations, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there by and large, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,786,952,369,650, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The truly absolute exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,892,662,127, exhibiting how SLP fundamentally faces opposition at $0.003, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they in every practical sense thought. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level, after a decay of 0.81% in a kind of enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, has seen a value lessening of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours in an extremely huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, which explicitly is very critical. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana, truly is somewhere near 5 and right now exchanging at $104.74 in a truly significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem in an extremely large way. These occasions especially show that the market fundamentally is going in an essentially descending bearing for present moment, exhibiting how these occasions generally demonstrate that the market really is going in an especially descending course for especially transient in a sort of large manner. As of now, an especially broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 1.81% coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers especially become considerably more most certainly dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. By and large further appearance how backing is a level at which purchasers sort of become in every practical sense, all the more genuinely dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they explicitly thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants truly become move genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers become significantly more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exceptionally further appearance how support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers by and large become considerably more extremely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of essentially smooth love elixir, SLP, especially smooth love mixture execution, the kind of day-to-day outline of in every practical sense. Smooth love elixir explicitly shows that the SLP cost generally has an exceptionally descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in certainly beyond 24 hours, which especially is very huge. The value worth of the really smooth love mixture (SLP) coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, showing how right now a genuinely broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is very huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is floating around $10,395,115 United States dollars, or so they essentially thought. Smooth Love Mixture Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for 12 February 2024, inside a very everyday time period, really made sense of underneath, exhibiting how right now, a for the most part broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which truly is genuinely critical. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including all things considered. Straightforward moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to in a real sense, break down the future development of the very smooth love elixir, showing how similarly obstruction truly is a level at which vendors truly become move truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Which truly shows that help truly is a level at which purchasers especially become significantly more truly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Fundamentally further appearance how support by and large is a level at which purchasers become commonly more certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an extremely significant manner. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, shows that the SLP coin truly is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is a 34, exhibiting that SLP especially faces obstruction at $0.003 in a sort of huge manner. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, showing how sold the kind of local coin of Solana explicitly is somewhere near 5 and presently exchanging at $104.74 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day diagram, showing how following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of truly smooth love elixir, SLP. Beautiful smooth love elixir execution, the especially everyday outline of most certainly smooth love elixir, explicitly shows that the SLP cost in a real sense has a for the most part descending development with a 1.18% reduction in truly beyond 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer certainly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal fundamentally is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, so furthermore,